everyone, Lori Ann Robinson, fashion and beauty consultant, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm putting on the beauty hat and I'm going to talk a little bit about these groovy makeup sponges. This is the traditional beauty blender, and it was developed by a makeup artist who got tired of cutting those wedge sponges into this particular shape to get a better application of creams and liquids, foundations and so forth on the face of her clients. So she came up with this design, which is really groovy. Now these little sponges come in a plethora of colors, but this is the original pink one that has been very well used. And what I wanted to tell you is something I learned that can be a little scary. All right. So you're thinking, well, it's a sponge, you know, no biggie. I can use it and use it and use it and use it and use it. No problem. Wrong-o. And I kind of heard this and learned the hard way on this one. When you use these over and over, they start to get little pits in them. And I'm going to bring this up really close. If you can see where it starts to get little indentations and pits and little creases and like little pieces of the sponge come out, and it gets cracks in there too. That harbors bacteria. Eek! Yuck! And you really can't get rid of it. That means it is time to throw it in the garbage. You don't want to be using this on your face anymore. So be aware of that. So if you go and take a look at your beauty blender, beauty sponge, whatever you want to call it, take a look at it and see if there's a lot of cracks and pits in it. If so, that means it's time for a new one. Now, I do wash mine with just a very mild shampoo that I actually dilute with some warm water, and the sponge puffs up, as we know, like a sponge will do, and then it will, you know, once you get the water out, it will go back down to its normal size. But you can't do anything about those pits. This is another one that I'm absolutely loving because it not only has the pointed end on it, you can see, but it also has the two sides that slope down. So you get this flat edge right in the front too, that you really can go into this area. So if you're blending out your concealer, awesome. I really love this flat edge that I can really blend out and go up around my nose, you know, some of those crevices that you're trying to get into. And if you just want to blend out, if you've got your concealer over here and you just want to feather it out and blend it out around your nose too, it is an excellent sponge. This sponge is by Morphe. It is a beauty company. There's one here in, well, there's quite a few in the Los Angeles area, but I'm really lucky. There's one 5 minutes away from me. So I spent a lot of time there. Anyway, I'm going to put those links down below in the comments so that you can see this terrific little sponge too. And as of now, I do believe they only come in red. But really, you know, you can find it on the countertop. What can I say? Anyway, so don't forget, you know, clean those sponges, give them a little wash, and throw out the ones that have been overused. Okay, hope you enjoyed those tips. Give me some comments down below. Tell me your favorite beauty sponges, or if you prefer brushes over sponges. I really love the sponges for cream-based products, whether or not it be contour or foundation or any cream blushes. I think they really work amazing with those products, and they give you a nice smooth finish, and you're able to really pat them in and press them into your skin so you get more coverage, and it kind of gives you a flawless look. All right, see you again on the next one. Bye-bye.